Here are 3 ideas to use social media to stand out from your competitors. If you're an entrepreneur or a business owner, I want to encourage you to watch this video all the way through. You ready? Let's do this. Idea number 1, you want to be omnipresent. What that means is you want to be on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You want to be on every social media channel that your audience is on. Now, if you feel like your audience isn't on TikTok because you serve a much older audience, then don't use TikTok. But the truth is, when you are omnipresent, you are developing more frequency. And frequency is so important in business because if you're only on Facebook, but majority of your audience uses Facebook 20% of the time, but maybe they're on Instagram 50% of the time, and they're on YouTube 10% of the time, and they're on LinkedIn 10% of the time, but they only see you on Facebook, then you're missing opportunity. Because when you are in the mental radar of your audience, they remember you more, they refer to you more, they go to you more. And so the whole idea here is you want to be omnipresent to position you in the mindset of your audience. And another really good idea to being omnipresent is you want to respect the platform. And what that means is, yes, you could do the Gary Vee method and create one form of content that could be distributed amongst every channel. But one thing that you don't want to do is have the same caption, have the same look on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, because you're not creating diversity. There's a reason why Facebook is Facebook. There's a reason why TikTok is TikTok. There's a reason why LinkedIn is LinkedIn. It's diverse. And what that means is the mindset when someone's on LinkedIn is different than the mindset on Facebook, and it's different on TikTok. So just imagine this. If you create a video like this, and I post this on LinkedIn, I'm gonna be a little bit more professional with my approach, with my caption, with maybe the intro of the video, the outro will say like, thank you so much for watching this on LinkedIn, and then I take it and I post it on TikTok. I may slice it up. I may add some really cool music, some effects to make it look fun, because the mindset on TikTok is I wanna be entertained. TikTok is an entertainment social media outlet. LinkedIn is more information, more strategy. Then Facebook is a little bit of both. And Instagram is more creative. So you want to respect the mindset of each social media channel as you start to develop omnipresent content, because that is so important to develop diversity. Again, people are on each social media channel for a specific reason. So if they see the same content on all channels, chances are they're going to stop following you, and chances are they're going to stop engaging with you. So the key is to being omnipresent and to be strategic per social media channel. Idea number 2 is you want to be perceived as an expert. And what that means is you want to show up to your greatness. You want to own that you are really good at what you do, or you are really good at developing the product that you have, or you just have a really damn good product. You want to show up to that greatness. And so what that looks like is you doing more videos like this, doing posts that talk about your value, why you do what you do, and the journey of what you're going through, and the value on your product, and why it helps people, or why people should buy it. You want to own that greatness. Because if you're not on social media owning that greatness and talking about how great you are and talking about why you are an expert, then no one's going to know you're an expert. That's it. Now, for those who are watching this and you know who Kanye West is, I'm sure you do by now, with his change of album and his change of music, Kanye West was the first rapper to proclaim he is the greatest rapper of all time. He said it in so many interviews and so many songs, and people are like, man, Kanye is big-headed, he's egotistic. But then the more he said it, the more people believed it. Man, Kanye is the best rapper. I remember when I was a kid, I've heard Kanye is the best rapper so many times, and I started to believe it. I started to say it. That is the power of showing up to your greatness. When you show up to your greatness online as the expert and you do it over and over and over again, people only know what they see. People only know what they hear. So if they hear from you, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best, guess what? They will believe you're the best. Do more videos like this. I am the best brander, marketer, advertiser, business consultant of all time. Joe Ortega. I'm showing up to that greatness, and I'm doing content that shows that greatness over and over again because I want you to believe what I believe. So if you start to believe what I believe, that means I'm doing my job, and that means I'm showing up to my greatness every day. And I want to encourage you to do the same. Show up to your greatness, and I believe I highly believe your audience will start to fall into that mindset that you are the expert. They will start to seek you out and your business will start to thrive. Idea number 3, you want to be consistent online. What that means is you want to post every day. Remember, people are on social media every day, and chances are those who post every day have more of their attention. And so money flows where attention goes. And the whole idea here is when you get the attention of your ideal audience over and over and over again, they will be more influenced into converting into a sale, into a client, into a referral, or into an opportunity maker. But if you're not showing up every day, they will forget about you and they won't think about you and they won't refer people to you. So consistency is so important into establishing rapport with your audience, bonds, trust, and really positioning you as that expert. I want to encourage you guys to post daily, whether it's a video like this or a photo post or a status post. You want to be consistent and you want to let people know that you are showing up every day as the expert so they could show up for you as well as a client. So for those who are still watching this, here is a bonus idea. Number 4, you want to run ads. And you don't have to have a big budget, but the idea here is when you run ads, you are separating yourself from your competition because chances are your competition has a scarcity mindset. They're not investing into themselves. They're not investing into paid campaigns because they're scared. Your competitors are scared to invest into themselves. They fear that if they invest into themselves so early, they're not going to have enough financial leverage to keep the business going. So let's break a pattern right now. When you do paid advertising the right way, you could also gain awareness and gain clients. So if you are on Facebook right now or LinkedIn or YouTube, you could run ads on all those channels. You could run an ad for $5 a day, $1 a day. The key is when you run an ad, you are also breaking out of your current sphere of influence and you're developing a stronger horizon with who knows who you are. It's not about who you know, it's about who knows you, and paid ads will develop a stronger audience for you. So the bonus here is Facebook ads equals videos. Run video ads on Facebook. LinkedIn, you could do a really good photo with a good article, run that as an ad, that will do exceptional. On YouTube, do a video like this. Make it lengthy, make it 5-10 minutes and do something where you're giving value. Run an ad to this. On Instagram, create a really good photo post, really good story. You want to write a story, a long story, run an ad on that. And I guarantee you this, if you run ads on every network, you're going to expand your horizon and separate you from your competitors and you're going to dominate 2020. You got this. I highly believe if you're watching this to this point and you take action on what I just covered, you're going to get results. Thank you so much for watching this video here on YouTube. And if you found this video to be helpful, like it, comment below, and smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.